Hello, good morning, ma'am. This is Dandesri Ashrit, roll number 21, semester 4th from ETCE, and today I'm going to discuss about human-nature relationship. So, according to Albert Einstein, a famous scientist, we still don't know 1,000 of 1% of what nature has revealed to us. So, what does nature bestow? If you look outside the window, it is so pleasant, and we can see sun smiling at us, trees are dancing, and birds are singing. These are all the senses that humans are bestowed by the nature. So, next, what is nature? Anything which is created by God is called nature, and the nature was created even before the appearance of human being onto this world. According to thermodynamics, we have systems and surroundings, and system is us, and the surroundings is everything in this universe. So each and everything in this universe must have a purpose, and if it has a purpose, then there must be some qualities about that particular creation of God that we can admire and learn from. And now we also define nature as which is any physical object, either in solid, liquid, or gaseous state, and which is either living or non-living. It comprises of matter. It should comprise of matter. It's called as nature. And nature, it may be sentient or insentient, small or big, mutually interacting units, which vary in a very large number up to infinity. So nature it also nurtures all the forms of life, and it is ready to guide, teach and embrace those willing to tune her into her ways. Nature not only beckons to learn from her, but it also sustained you in the ways you might have overlooked like our mother. So there are four orders of nature, respectively material order, plant order or pranic order, animal order and human order. Material order it is called as Padartha Avastha means things, and Pranic order means prana, it means life, Jiva, and Jiva order, animal order means organism, and Jnana or Avastha, human order, which means intelligence. So material order it comprises of all the lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, that is soil, air and water respectively. So it comprises of continents, oceans and seas, mountains and rivers, atmosphere, and it also includes minerals and minerals which are below the earth's crust like coal, natural gas, etc. And also metals like tungsten, gold, etc. which we mine regularly. So it also includes beyond the Earth's atmosphere. It also includes celestial objects like atmospheric bodies, stars, planets, moons, comets, asteroids, etc. So now pranic order. Pranic order means prana. Prana means plants, which is plant order, and it also includes fauna, flora in the ocean, plants and trees from the forest, and shrubs. Animal order. Animal order includes all the fauna. It may include insects, fish, animals, birds, etc. Human order. Human order is Dhyana Avastha. This is the only order which possesses intelligence. And this is the human beings, us, that is Homo sapiens. Next comes the material order, pranic order, animal order, and human order distinguishes. Material order comprises of soil, water, etc., plants, trees, animals, birds, human beings. It has only composition and decomposition because it doesn't have life, it doesn't have any systems which are responsible for living beings. Next, pranic order. It has composition, decomposition, and respiration. It performs respiration and photosynthesis that it can manufacture its own food. Next comes animal order. It can't manufacture its own food, but it can acquire its food from the pranic order. And it has composition, decomposition means it will be formed, it will be decomposed, and it has respiration through which it takes oxygen, and it has selection, which is the natural selection proposed by Charles Darwin. Human order includes all the components of animal order along with thought and desire. These are the only things which are present in the qualities which are present in human beings due to which they become the Jnana order, thought and desire. Next comes the characteristic. We have bravery, perseverance, and generosity, human order. And in the animal order, we have non-cruelty and cruelty. For material order, we don't have anything, just composition and decomposition. Pranic order, we have nurture or worsen. And it is included in animal order, nurture or worsen in body, means it will develop or it will not develop, diminish. And it has cruelty and non-cruelty, means there are herbivores and omnivores. Carnivores, sorry, not omnivores. Omnivores are both herbivores and carnivores. Next comes human order. Human order is bravery, perseverance, and generosity. Bravery and perseverance and generosity are present in the human beings. Next is the order relationship. The order relationship, we can see that each are interrelated. That is, soil, air, and water provide nutrients which are developed which are essential for the development of plants. Plants in turn prevent soil erosion, provide cleaner air which help in maintaining the environment, thereby reducing the pollution. And plants also provide food for animals and shelter to animals. Animals in turn help in pollination of plants, which help in the development of plants. So we can, these are the relationship. So they are interconnected and fulfill each other. Soil, air, and water. Water is essential for animals and birds. Air is essential for respiration and breathing. In turn, we release carbon dioxide, which are taken by plants, and they release oxygen, which helps in the maintenance of air. Next, they coexist with each other. Without soil and water, nothing exists. Plants and animals can't live. Next, we look at the material order. That is the sun. Sun comes is as giver of light, energy, and due to which we have time, so we have seasons. So, what are the qualities we should instill in us from the sun? So, sun, we can see that it is the heart of the solar system, so it is in a position of power. So, even though it is in a power, it is not necessary to take the limelight from all the others all the time. We should appreciate others' glory, which helps in maintaining the leadership. So we should appreciate others not only to the person's glory, it also makes others look forward to seeing you again. They think that you are a good leader. This helps in maintaining the leadership qualities. Next comes equality. Sun shines equally for all the people. So there is no bias or discrimination amongst the people or in the different orders. It shines equally for all. So we should treat each human being equally without any discrimination or racism, etc. Next comes time management. Time management, sun always rises at a particular time in the morning and sets at a particular time in the evening, due to which we have seasons also. So sun, we should learn from sun that we should manage our time regularly. We have to have a timetable and we should follow it regularly or daily. And we should, for example, for our students, we should manage the classes in time and set syllabus to complete in the prescribed time for the exams. Next, be selfless. Selfless love and is what is taught to us by the sun. It always burns itself to provide us light. So sun is always selfless. So we should work sincerely without expecting anything in return. We don't give any favor to sun, but sun always gives us light and it burns regularly, continuously. This is what we learn from sun. Next comes the moon. Moon, we can see it is a bestower of calm and cooling sensations. Even though it changes its shape, that is, it is fickle every day, but it doesn't show sadness in its face. So we should, in terms of extremities or hardness, we should still don't we should not show happiness, sadness. We should always remain happy because happiness is great. Happiness removes the stress, mental tensions, etc. So in any shape, it always looks smiling. It is always happy and filled with love. It does not matter that it is faced with change every single day. It always inspires hope and love. We recognize moon as the symbol for love. And see, it is the waxing and waning of the moon. Here it is waxing and here it is waning. This is a new moon day and this is a full moon day. Still, we can always see different types of smiles in the moon. So we can see smile as cooling system of heart, sparkling system of eyes, lighting system of face, and relaxing system of mind. So smile, it activates all the systems, hence always keep smiling even in tough times. Next comes mountains. Mountains, we can see they reach to pinnacle of the skies. They teach us value of great worth. Always remain down to earth. Means in personality, we should always remain down to earth. We should not forget that our basement is still the earth. That is, we still should maintain personally that we are down to earth. And even though if you have a higher ambitions, we must possess higher ambitions. Like you should rise high, like the mountains into the sky. Always we should keep a target as the sky and we should try to reach there. This is career wise. But in personality wise, we should always remain down to earth. We should never forget that we stand on the earth and not in air. Elixir of life, water. Now let's just discuss about water. Water is defined as elixir of life. Without water, we can't live. So ocean teaches us the greatest quality, live life with humanity. It provides us water, oceans and seas, rivers, etc. provide us water. So they are essential for humanity's survival. So richness and beauty, we should not be proud of them. And we should spread the message of love and unity across the world. This is what water provides, water spreads across the world. So we should give everything to everyone without any partiality. This is what we learn from water. Next, pranic order, that is trees. Trees, it is a helper of nature. It provides us oxygen and health. So it maintains the air quality and it also provides us prevents soil erosion. So it also provides shade and shelter to all the life forms. Forest, example, and it never knowingly harms anybody. And it also feeds the hands that hurt it. That is us. Human beings, we cut the wood and pluck the flowers, wood for furniture, etc. But it still provides us wood and food. So we should learn qualities like patience and forgiveness. We should also instill tolerance. Tolerance, even in scorching sun, in heavy rains, windstorms, sandstorms, the tree doesn't fall down. This is what is tolerance. We should learn tolerance from the plants. That is, we should be always be tolerant to difficult times, tough times. And it always grows lovely flowers and healthy fruits even in pain, which is we take it necessary. We take them away from the plants. So patience and forgiveness. Forgiveness, we cut the wood, but still it provides us wood after the next season. Thus, it always forgives us. How much harm we do it, it still forgives us and gives us everything what we require, like wood, food, flowers, fruits, etc. And thus, it always wins the hearts of all the other life forms, including human beings as well as animals, insects, etc. So, teaching. What does it teach? It teaches us that life is too short and we should live life happily. We should forgive everyone and always try to win the others' hearts. This is what trees teach us. Next come animals. Animal order, also known as Jiva order, Jiva Avastha. It comprises of herbivores, omnivores, carnivores. We can see that it maintains a food chain, ecological balance. So animals, here are some examples. Ants, we can always see a group of ants, so it has the teamwork. Next, hard work. Ant can lift up to 52 times the weight. See, we can see that it is lifting an apple. Next comes camel. Camel, it survives in different habitats. It is adjustable to desert habitat. So it doesn't drink water for 40 to 50 days, but it stores water and uses it. It can survive without water for so long. So it has the adaptability to harsh conditions. Next comes it walks for long hours in the desert. Next comes pet animals, which are dogs and cats, which are in any other animal like fish, etc. Aquariums. So they generally teach us faithfulness and generosity. Always dogs are faithful to human beings. That's why we raise them. Next comes let us memorize. So we will memorize all the things that we have learned till far. Sun for equality, time management and leadership. Moon for hope and love. Always smile. Mountains, those skies are target. Always remain down to earth. Means remain humble. Impersonality. Oceans, treat everyone without partiality. Partiality, spread your love and unity. Next come trees. Trees offer patience, tolerance and forgiveness. Animals for faithfulness, teamwork, hard work, adaptability, generosity, etc. So we see that environment says, don't pollute me not. Mother Earth says, don't crumble me, don't crush me. Plant says, don't cut me unnecessarily. Not we can cut it for food, etc. But don't cut it unnecessarily. Don't pluck it. Animal says, hurt me not. We should not beat the animals, etc. Nature says, forget me not. So with this we maintain the nature. We should not forget that Mother Nature has provided us everything and we should in turn feel gratitude towards Mother Nature. So let all of us say live and let live. So every human being has a potential personality because we are all persons and every person must have a potentiality and every potentiality should has a soft skill attitude. Attitude means we should always develop soft skills inside us. We should always follow these rules so that we protect our Mother Nature. No poison can kill a positive thinker, no medicine can cure a negative thinker. This is one of the famous statements. So golden are the days which were previously, and now we have polluted are the days where I fear to enter my surroundings. See, this is an order relationship. Human order is dependent on all these three, and in turn, human order, these three are also dependent on human order. So we should not unnecessarily cut them. We have to maintain material order because air is necessary, soil and water all are necessary for our survival on this earth. Plant and bio order, they purify the air and they also provide us food, so we should maintain them. Animal order, they are used for transportation as bullocks, horses. They also are useful for food as meat, so we should also protect them. So human order, this is the order relationship. All are interrelated with each other. So where are we? This is what we are thinking. Are we in a polluted world or in a pure world? We think that we are in a polluted world. To convert it in pure world, we should think globally and act locally. So With this, I end my presentation. Thank you, man.